Hi students, good morning to all. Our Trinity Academy welcomes to all. Today I am going to take a topic is science. Science is divided into two groups. First one is physical science, second one is biological science. Our subject is biological science. Biology divided into two groups. First one is botany and second one is zoology. So dear students, listen. What is botany? Botany is a science. The branch of science deals with the plant's life. So, in this topic, we learn about totally plants. The branch of science deals with the plant's life. So, today we read about medicinal plants. First one is medicinal plants. Second one, root system, and third one, shoot system. First one is medicinal plants. First topic is medicinal plants. In the world, more plants are available. For especially in village side, most of the peoples are used medicinal value of plants. But in town side, if you have any sick or any illness, we are going to medical shop and ask syrup something for example tablets. For headache we are getting tablets, or any diarrhea we are getting tablets. Any constipation problem we are going to medical shop and getting medicines. So that medicines cure our problems easily. But in villages most of the persons they are not going to medical shop. That persons are used medicinal value of plants. So the medicinal value of plants means, for example, aloe vera, tulasi, neem, then country porridge. Country porridge means omavalli. Then pepper. Our kitchen, we are most of the things are available in the kitchen. Medicinal value of things available in our kitchen. Pepper, mint. Mint means podina. Then cardamom, ginger. Next, pirandai. These is a very good medicinal value of plants. So today medicinal plants uses and their functions. Today we learn about the medicinal plants and their uses. See the board, medicinal value of the plants available here. First one is neem. Neem is an antibiotic medicine. Next, tulasi. Tulasi is cure cold and cough. Next, eucalyptus. Eucalyptus is a painkiller. Then next, garlic. Garlic is used as good digestion to human body. Then most of the valuable medicinal plants is all the human beings are used always. Next, spices. Spices is gives good aroma to the humans. So we are preparing biryani, some delicious food, spices is added. Spices gives aroma to the food and flavor. Gives good aroma and flavor to the food. I recap the topic again. Today we learn about first botany. Botany is a plant life. Medicinal plants. Medicinal plants is used as many values. Example, aloe vera, tulasi, neem, next garlic, ginger, everything is a medicinal value of plants. Dear students, next topic is plants system. Plants divided into two systems. First one is root system. Second one is shoot system. First, root system. Now, I explain the root system. Roots is a very important part of the plant. As like, human being eat food. Food is a very important part of our life. That same plants has roots. The roots is one of the important part of the whole plant, because the roots absorb water and minerals to the plant. So, the root system is very, very important. Root system means roots. The roots has root cap. What is the purpose of root caps? The root caps protect the roots from harsh conditions. Then next, root hairs. The root hairs are only present in the outside of the roots. The root hairs are very small like in nature. So, what is the function of root? We learned already. The roots absorb water and minerals. That water and minerals goes to the whole part of the plant. The root system is two types. First one is taproot system. Second one is fibrous root system. Now, taproot system. This is taproot system. Taproot system is a long, lengthy roots. That system has two types, main root, then subroots. This is main root. Then this is subroots. The main root conduct water and minerals to the stem part. Then subroots. Subroots has three types. First one is primary roots, second one is secondary root, and third one is tertiary roots. These roots are absorb water and minerals to the main root, and main root carry the water to the stem part. What is the character of root? Root is a positive, geographic and negative phototraffic. What is the character of roots? The root is positive, geographic, negative, phototraffic. What is the meaning of positive? Positive means possible. Geographic means, geo means earth. The roots below, under the ground. So, we called the root is positive, geographic. Negative phototraffic means what? What is the meaning of negative phototraffic? The root is not above the ground and the root cannot get sunlight. So, we called that negative phototraffic. First character is very important, positive geographic and negative phototraffic. And then next, the root has not chlorophyll. What is the meaning of chlorophyll? Chlorophyll is green color part. The root has green color? No. The root is brown part of the color. So, the root cannot produce food. The main function is the root absorb water and minerals only. Next, the root has not node and internode. Node and internode I will be explained later. Now there is no node and internode, there is no chlorophyll, only roots has root cap. Root has root cap and root has. What is the function of root cap? The root cap, first one is protection, second one is store water. Okay, the root cap is present in all plants? No. The root caps only available in land plants. Root cap is absent in water plants. The roots only below the ground. Next topic is system. The root has two types, taproot and fibrous root. This is taproot. Next, fibrous root. Fibrous root. Fibrous root is not a lengthy root. This is a bunch of roots. That group of bunch of roots arises from the base of the stem. The root has group of bunches. These roots are same, stored water and minerals. What is the difference between fibrous roots and taproot? Taproot system deeply fixed under the soil. For example, taproot system present in more trees. Example, banyan tree, neem tree, mango tree. These plants need more water. So the roots are long, lengthy root. The roots are deeply fixed in the soil. But fibrous root is a short root, bunch of roots. These roots are only available in plants, small plants. For example, maize, paddy, wheat, millet. Yes, these plants has that fibrous roots. That fibrous roots cannot store much water, and that plants can live few months. But taproot system deeply fixed in the soil, and that root system absorb water from various places. Next, what is the difference between root system and fibrous system? Root, fibrous root, short root. Taproot, long lengthy root. There is no subroots. Taproot has subroots. Next, fibrous root system only present in monocotyledon type. Taproot system is present in dicotyledon. What is the meaning of monocot and dicot? Monocotyledon, dicotyledon. Monocotyledon means some seeds we cannot break. For example, maize, rice, millet. These seeds we cannot break. So only one leaf present. This is called monocotyledon. Some seeds are, we can easily break. That is called dicot. What is meant by dicot? We can easily break the seed. For example, grams, black gram, yellow gram, peas, bean seeds. So these seeds are we can easily break. Dicot means taproot system. Monocot means fibrous root system. Fibrous root system only has monocotyledon plant. Dicotyledon has taproot system. Next topic is shoot system. See the board. Shoot system is above the ground. Here root is here. Root system is below the ground. Shoot system contains leaves, branches, flowers and fruits. Shoot system means stem. That stem conduct water to whole part of the body. Here that stem support the plant. The stem support the whole plant. Next, the stem has node and internode. But root have not node and internode. Here see that this is branches. That branches are attached on the node. Here see the board, dear students, listen. This is node part. The branches arises from the node. So here one node, next here one node and top side one node. So this is node part. Where is the internode? The node in between gap is called internode. The node is here. The branches arises from the node part. So stem has node and internode. The stem is a positively phototraffic, negatively geotraffic. Can you understand the meaning? Can you understood? What do you mean by that? Positive phototraffic, because the stem is always outside. The sunlight passed on that stem. So stem is the positive phototraffic and negative geotraffic, because the stem is not below the ground. So negative geotraffic. And next, that shoot system produced flowers, first leaf and then flowers produce fruits. That shoot system is a very important part of the system in plant. Here node and internode is there, and leaf is a main part. Why the leaf is main part of the plant? Because the leaf is making one process that is called photosynthesis. What do you mean by photosynthesis? The leaves prepare food for the whole plant. Small plants stem is green color, but trees stem is woody like in nature, that is brown color. Small plants green color part only prepare food, but in trees the leaves is a very good process. The leaves is doing one function that is called photosynthesis. So listen students, today we taught 3 topics. First one is medicinal plants, second one is root system, and third one is shoot system. Shoot system is a very important part. Stem is act as a pipeline. You know PVC pipe carry water to conduct water to all. Same like plants stem act as a pipeline. That stem carry water to whole part of the body. The leaf getting water from the stem and prepare food by the process of photosynthesis. After photosynthesis, the plant, that stem part, first form branches, branches produce leaf, leaf next produce food, and food after flowers formed, and then flowers produce fruits, and fruits produce seeds. This is the main important functions of stem. And that stem function is, first one is transportation, transport water. Then second one is storage food. The two main function is very important. First one is stem function, first one is transportation, second one is storage food, third one is support, that support the entire plant. Flowers. First, the bud produce flowers. The bud is three types. First one is terminal bud. Second one is flower bud. Third one is axillary bud. Terminal bud is present on the top of the plant. So students, can you understood the all topics? So please open the book and read the question and answers. Then next I give you worksheet to your WhatsApp. You should work out the all questions and reply it. Thank you.